What is the opposite of conductive? Insulating. An electrician who works on high voltage wires for a public utility is called which of these? Lineman. After leaving a 3FT extension cord outside all summer, the jacket is cracked. What should you do? Replace it. Sun and moisture degrades insulation, creating shock risk. Can you daisy chain 6 of these 1FT cords to power a space heater? No. NEC discourages chaining extension cords, especially for high wattage devices. Your backyard lights get dimmer the farther they are from the transformer. Why? The 200FT wire is too thin for the distance, causing voltage drops.